In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play championship match in WWE 2K23. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to properly set up a championship match in WWE 2K23. You will be able to customize it however you prefer, and you will be able to choose any superstar, equip the belt, and so on. So all that you have to do to customize your very own championship match is to go over to the home screen and choose the option to play. So from the home, go over to play, and you will be able to customize this match. You can choose any of the available match types according to your preferences, and as long as you have everything set up here, when it's time to choose your superstars, all that you have to do is enable this option at the bottom here. So as you can see, you will have select, back, match options, entrance, and finally title match. This is what we're looking for to do a championship match in WWE 2K23. So all that you have to do is choose this option here, and you will be able to customize the parameters for your championship match. You can set up between championship and MITB, and as long as you choose any of these, you will be good to go and the championship match will be established. You can even do a double championship match depending on the superstars that you have selected. Just choose them here, you will be able to customize everything, and once everything is set up, you will be able to play that specific match in championship mode. Like I said, this is going to work with most superstars, and all that you have to do is enable the title match option that you see when it's time to choose your superstars. With that enabled, you are good to go. You will see a bunch of titles, their respective holders, and you can even do a double title match if you want to. As a result, you will see the referee raise both championships during the face-off segment after the wrestlers' respective entrances. I hope I was able to help you on how to play championship match in WWE 2K23. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.